little trout, stalker variety, about 10 inches long, right around there. First thing you do, all trout, all fish actually, have little tiny teeth there. So if this was a great big 4 or 5 pounder, you'd have to be careful because the teeth would be a little bit bigger and they would scratch you. So basically what we're doing here, we're going ahead and take a small knife, doesn't have to be anything fancy, work its way up underneath the lower jaw, like this, pull it out, start down here by the anus, come straight up. There you go. Now, lay the knife down. I have a couple bags in here. I want to go ahead and put all the things we're going to cut away. Stick my finger in the mouth, my thumb underneath there. I'm left-handed, so I'm going to do things in a reverse of a lot of right-handed people. But here, I'm ripping down. I'm actually going to go ahead and pull through the front fins. A little bit of flesh that's there. It's not important. I'm pulling out all of the gills, the lower jaw. I'm pulling that down. See this? There you go. I'm pulling this out. Now, what I do here, so you can see what the fish looks like now. See all this up in here? Now watch. Hang on to this, and I stick my thumb in there, and I just push it up. And it comes out. Now I have to turn on the water a little bit. We'll keep that running for a little bit. Not going to waste too much water. Let's see. Push out all that. Get all that a little bit cleaned in there. Pull out any other intestines. Wash the fish off. Actually, I like a little bit faster running water. It doesn't have to be. And again, you don't need a fancy knife. Now, when you get into filleting fish, it's going to be a little bit different. You're going to actually have a fillet knife over here that my wife will be using to show you. There's a reason why we have lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and white distilled vinegar there. If you ever catch a fish, you already dressed it out, cooked it up and everything, tastes a little muddy, a little bit strong taste to it, you can actually take a bowl of water with 2 cups of white distilled vinegar or apple cider vinegar and a half a cup of lemon juice, put that into the water and put the fish in there, let the fish meat soak in there for a couple hours, take it out, rinse it off, then cook it the conventional way that you like to have fish. And there's no more problem, no more fishy odor, no more swampy, muddy taste of fish. You can take any fish and do it that way. That's the secret to cooking fish. Get rid of any water. So here you can see that's done. What we'll do, we'll put this over here, and then we'll go on to the next one.